Good morning, Mango. What are you eating? It looks like you have some broccoli there. Yes, looks like you like broccoli a lot. It's something new that I've introduced to you recently. Mango's a very picky eater. I'm really surprised that he likes his broccoli. You're eating pretty healthy nowadays. What else is in your bowl? You have some curly kale, some spinach, baby spinach, arugula, and broccoli. Mango's feasting on it. Good morning. What does Mango have in there? We have broccoli, kale, and spinach. Now where's Mango? Oh, he's having a feast there. Let's see what he's eating. Looks like he's having a mixture of pellets and seeds. Yum, yum. Yesterday I gave him a whole, you can say whole bunch of broccoli, like this. I don't have to pull it apart anymore. It's like a whole bouquet, and he ate the whole thing and left the stem. I think the florets resemble seeds. Let's see what's happening with Mango. Looks like there's one happy guy there. Yeah, one happy guy. He's finished eating his breakfast. He's still chewing, munching. Good morning. Mango's feasting on broccoli. You really like broccoli. You're holding it with your foot? That's delicious. It's a little cold because I got it from the refrigerator. But you're really enjoying it. You have broccoli on your beak too, Mango. Looks like broccoli is your favorite. You have broccoli on your beak. How cute. But it's delicious. You're really enjoying it. Yesterday I gave him a whole bouquet from a branch of broccoli, and he ate the whole thing. He left the stem, but he likes the florets. Hi, baby. You're really liking that broccoli. You're holding it with your left foot too. What a smart bird. Yum, yum.